You want to be free, to innovate, to react quickly, to seize the moment. But you want a simple approach to technology that doesn't chain you down with big PC and software investments? Then you should switch. Like many growing businesses to hosted desktops and hosted applications. Hosted Services unchain desktops and applications and puts them in the data center, where they can be accessed by any device. And that can make some big differences for your employees and your business. Your employees can be more productive. They now have easy single login access to any of the applications they need, at any time, in the office, out in the field, from home, with an uncompromised user experience that seamlessly moves with them and changes to fit the device they prefer to use. Your company is safer. Even if a device is lost or stolen, you and your employees can rest easy because the data and applications don't live on the hardware. Just pick up a new device, log in once, and you're back in business. Your business can be more flexible, scale up or scale down easily to meet any business need, from seasonal upswings, to reorganizations, to adding contractors or employees with the click of a button. Plus, a simple subscription model means that your monthly expenses are predictable without the capital expense and time it would take to build everything yourself. In fact, your tech staff can be freed from a whole lot of headaches. Desktop tech support is far simpler. Applications are updated automatically, and because they stay in the data center, business continuity and security are baked right into the solution. Put it all together and your company just got a lot lighter, leaner, and faster. With hosted desktops and applications, you can react quickly, you can simplify technology, you can give employees freedom to use any device they want, all while you have peace of mind that your company's data is secure and under control.